In this video, I'm just going to share to you tasters how I build the Overwatch. Prepare to get tased. Mabuhay and what is up tasters? Welcome to Taste or the Art of Sir Eden. If you are new to this channel and you're kinda interested in these kind of contents, be sure to subscribe and tap that bell there so to get notified whenever I uploaded a new video. And to all of my current subscribers, thank you so much for your support. Thank you. And because you guys are awesome. And don't forget to follow me on my Facebook page, Instagram, TikTok for more videos, updates, and tips. Now this is the Overwatch name after Felicity Smoke of the Arrow, the CW TV series. Not because it can hack on anything, but because I can see everything through it. Well, you get the idea. Now, I built this based on my own needs and based on what I already have, which is mostly Ulanzi and UUrig accessories. Now, for what purpose did I build this? Well, for one reason, and of course, I'm going to use this for my YouTube channel recording mostly. And since my Fujifilm XT20 doesn't have a flip screen, this setup works perfectly. Number two, I might be able to use this for future professional projects. Now, enough talk. Let's get down to business. Now, to build this rig, we need a cage. And I got here the UUrig R069. This will be the body of the rig since it has a lot of mounting options such as cold shoe mounts, side handles, and a screw for mounting any camera accessories. Next is the Ulanzi PT5 cold shoe extension mount. It is made out of metal, so this can definitely hold a monitor. Now let's attach this to the cage. Next is the Ulanzi ST02S phone clamp. It is also made of metal with springs on it that can be tightened with a thumb screw at the top. This will be placed in here. Next is a top handle, the UUrig R008. I really like this because it also has a lot of mounting options and it has a thumb screw as well, so you can easily attach it and detach it. Of course, this will be mounted on the top, and as you can see, we basically have a proper cage in this form. Now next is this Vaxis Vlogger accessory magic arm. This will go at the top of the handle. Next is the Ulanzi dual phone clamp. This is also made out of metal, very sturdy, and both clamps can be rotated, and I already attached a cold shoe mount at the bottom for mounting. And this will be placed on this side of the cage. Now for the heart of this rig, we got here the Rosmos 10,000 milliampere power bank. It has two USB ports and the size is perfect for this rig. This will be placed on the phone clamp at the center. Next is our wireless receiver, the affordable Shimbol ZoLink 600S receiver. I also attach a cold shoe below for easy mounting, and this will be mounted on this side of the cage. Alright, next is the Zoom H1N for my backup audio, and this will be attached on the Vaxis magic arm on the top handle. Now the most important part of the rig, the monitor. We got here the Osee T5 field monitor with the UUrig R015 for easy mounting, and this will be mounted on the cold shoe extension mount. Next, we got here another power bank from Rapu, and this will be clamped on the phone clamp above the cage. And another power bank on the other clamp as well. This will be a backup power in case the main power are drained. Now, I also got here two cables. One is a USB-C to USB Type A and a micro USB to Type A. Both Type A will be plugged onto the Rosmos to power up the Osee T5 monitor, and the Shimbol ZoLink 600S. Next is the UUrig R066 for the cable management. Now align both cables on the loops, then tighten the screw. Now another micro USB to Type A for the Zoom H1N that will be plugged in to the other power bank as well. And lastly, the LensGo 348c. The receiver will be placed in this spot, then connect it to the Zoom H1N. Now this will serve as my backup audio. And then here it is, easy to carry, portable, and looking cool. Now let's try it and turn it on to see how it works. Of course, to make this work, let's connect the Shimbol ZoLink 600S transmitter to my Fujifilm XT20, then turn on the camera and the transmitter, and voila, it works. Now, I've already done a few changes on the Overwatch, but basically I can customize it to whatever I want it to be, and I'm really happy on how it turned out. I've been using this ever since I got it. It has made my workflow so much more innovative and flexible and a little bit better, to be honest. For this studio setup, I can place this over here on my right as close as possible to me to see if I'm in focus and if my lightings are on spot. I can also switch modes using the Osee T5 without getting up from my seat. Now, if I'm going to use this for professional purposes, I will set this up for my client so that they can see and watch on a certain spot on the room or wherever we are, in which they won't need to be near me while I'm doing the job. And this will give my clients a better view on what I'm trying to create and shoot, basically to give them a glimpse and give them an idea as well on what I'm trying to accomplish, and also to look more professional in a sense. Now, this won't be possible without these two brands who always supported this channel. Again, thank you so much, Osee Tech and Shimbol, for these wonderful gears. The Osee T5 field monitor and the Shimbol ZoLink 600S are a fantastic budget camera gear made for content creators and professionals. Now, if you haven't seen my review of these two, check it out in the card up there. And that's it, guys. I hope you find this video helpful. If you want more videos like this, please consider subscribing and tap that bell there so you get notified whenever I uploaded a new video. And I also hope that you like this DIY mini director's monitor rig that I did. And let me know if you want me to create more videos like this. So that's it, guys. And again, Tasters, this is Taste or the Art of Sir Eden, and together let's explore, learn, create, and share. See you on my next video. Taste Reviews out. Next is a top handle, the UUrig R008. I really like this because Now next is the top handle, the UUrig R008. I really like this because ano ba?